Hey everyone, in today's video we will be going over how to download and import your digital defined sticker book. If you purchase the stickers along with the planner, you should have received another email with the digital file for your stickers. So we're going to go to our email, we're going to click on view your downloads, we're going to download the sticker book, and today I'm using an iPad Pro and working with GoodNotes. With the GoodNotes app, the stickers are pre-cropped. I tested it with a different software on the computer called Foxit Reader, and the stickers were pre-cropped in that app as well. But in some apps, it might not be pre-cropped, so I'm going to go over two different ways to import them into your planner. So we're going to download the sticker book, the zip file, into our files folder. And we're going to go to the files folder and we're going to open up the zip file. Now there's going to be two different items within the sticker book folder. There's going to be one for GoodNotes, and this contains the sticker book specifically for the GoodNotes app, and a defined sticker book PDF that will be used to upload for any other apps. And now that the file is extracted, we're going to go to GoodNotes. So for this, we're going to want to be in split screen. So you want to push down on the GoodNotes tab down on your dock. You want to bring it to the side. There's our planner. And we're going to want to import the sticker book. So click on New, Import the sticker book. And we have 250 unique stickers. We have interactive tabs on our sticker book, so make sure you're not in the editing mode, and you can go through different categories, functional, icons, different tasks. So say for this one that on September 15th in the evening, we know we're going to be doing laundry. So we're going to push down on the laundry sticker. We're going to click on edit, and you see how that there's a border around this. That's because it is pre-cropped. So we're going to tap on it again, and we're going to go to share, and we're going to copy, and then we're going to go to our planner, and we're going to paste. Now, if this wasn't a pre-crop sticker, one way to do it would be to use a lasso tool, and that lasso tool would allow us to go around the border of what we want to copy, and we're going to go push down on it again, and we take a screenshot, and then we could go to the top right, click this button and copy and bring it over. Okay, well that is how to download and import your digital defined sticker book. If you guys have any questions, leave a comment, or you can reach out to us on our website. If you guys have any themes or any certain stickers that you guys would like us to put in our planners, just let us know. So thank you guys for watching.